over to you, Shama.
Yeah, thank you, Anuradha. Thank you so much for connecting with Malavika ma'am. It was such an interesting session. Any one of you wanted to give a feedback about today's session?
No doubt it was an excellent session. Thank you, Anuradha. It was nice of you to bring Mrs. Malavika to this forum.
Thank you, ma'am. My pleasure too. And a lot of thanks to the entire organizing team for giving these ideas, discussing, brainstorming, and finally we could arrive at a name for the final, for the fourth masterclass today. So yes, thanks to the entire team.
Thank you, Anu. So we will have the announcements now. For that, let me just hand over the baton to Ramya.
Hey, thank you, Shama. Am I loud and clear?
Yeah, it is very clear, Ramya.
Okay. So good evening, everyone. Delighted to be back again amongst the group and coming down to the most awaited moment for all of our launch our participants here is announcing the 15 shortlisted folks who are ahead. Right? So we had asked all our participants to prepare and share with us a video expressing their views on the topic. What can HR role players do to design D&I initiatives that enable business results? Right? These videos, which has been shared by you all, were evaluated by our panelists. And there were 4 parameters, right, on the basis of which we evaluated. The first parameter being effective communication. The second was the content, quality, and relevance. The third one was the uniqueness, any creativity that you had shown in the presentation. And the last and the fourth one was clarity of thoughts, right? So these were the 4 parameters basis which we have shortlisted 15 folks to go ahead. Now all of these parameters carried equal weightage. Right? One thing that I would like to specifically mention here is all of us understand how busy a women professional is, right? How busy our schedules are managing family, kids, workplace. But taking out the time, preparing yourself, recording the video itself, sending it across for the evaluation, that itself is a huge, I would say, credit, a feat. So kudos to all our wonderful women participants who have, made the video, shared it with us, and got it evaluated. Now, without further ado, before we announce the shortlist, we have a small video to be played here.
What all HR role players do to design,
implementing and communicating the D&I initiatives.
Today this video that I'm doing is part of the Launcher contest.
And I get a good support.
I'm so happy and excited to be the part of Launcher.
It fits best to the organizational requirement.
And what if I say we HRs are the driving force behind our diverse and inclusive work culture?
And having around 60% of the employee as women, and majority of them are from the rural state.
Studies also shows that diversity alone will not have the desired outcome without proper inclusion.
The larger truth is that these are the organizations which have inculcated that inclusive mindset and embraced diversity and etched it into the DNA of the organization, what we call as org culture.
It generates a collaborate and a teamwork in the group.
Imagine a workplace where everyone feels welcome, safe and equal.
Diversity and inclusion are 2 words that have garnered a great deal of importance in the recent past.
HR's role stop in bringing in diversity? No. The most important part is they should feel included in your organization.
So the topic for discussion today is what all can HR role players do to design D&I initiatives that enable business results.
Talking about the D&I initiative, a strong D&I initiative can always help your organization to attract top talent and to drive innovative results.
Diversity means accepting me for the person I am.
The policymaker has to understand or identify the business vision or the corporate goal.
D&I is a term which you might have heard several times by now.
It should be a multi-pronged approach wherein you look at diversity university, colleges, employee referral schemes, job portals, etc.
The third thing that we can do is to train our leaders to create and sustain an inclusive culture,
which will inspire change and understanding amongst the employees.
The third strategy, enforce, to identify areas to promote inclusion in our day-to-day behaviors.
Promote cross-training within the organization or within the department.
She told many things about my writing skills, everything. As a key end note, she told me, you must break your cocoon.
Gather continuous feedback, ensure employees feel their voices matter. Have generation inclusion as well as cultural inclusion.
You should not consider their background or their gender or their locality as a criteria for hiring.
By doing this, Sodexo was able to bring in a business result in terms of its profit of 23% increase in the gross profit.
Make them aware of the unconscious bias that would creep in at the time of hiring.
If they are not equipped, we can scale up their skills or rescale them. This cannot happen in a day or of one training. It is a slow and steady process which leads to a company culture.
Great. So thanks, Jitin, for playing out that video. And awesome, I would say. You see a glimpse of all our confident, strong women participants out there, right? So I'm not going to make you all wait further for the results. Without further ado, I would like to request our very own Jaya ma'am. Most of you all would recognize ma'am as Ms. Jaya Jacob Alexander, who's the CEO of Geojit Foundation. I would request ma'am to please say a few words and then announce the winners. Over to you, Jaya ma'am.
Thank you, Ramya. Hi everybody. At the outset, I thank each and every one of the 39 participants of Lounge HR for joining this contest. I must emphasize that only persons with great self-confidence will have the courage to join this contest, which is in fact a series of elimination activities. And 15 have entered into the second round. To all those who could not make it to the list of 15, I must tell you that your courage will definitely bring you many more laurels in future because you have participated in a killer contest. When you take risks, you learn that there will be times when you will be succeed and there will be times when you fail, and both are equally important. Now let me announce the names of the 15 who is entering the second round. The list is in no particular order. I would request the selected participants to, as and when I announce the names, I would request the participants to say a hi and give a brief self-intro so that we can get to see you today. So shall I start with the first name? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Manisha Narayanan. Hi Manisha, can we see you?
Manisha, can't hear you properly. Manisha,
is it audible now?
You are not visible and we can't hear you properly, Manisha.
I think she's trying to connect back to the meeting.
Okay, shall I go on to the second name then? Juvaina Shaji. Juvaina Shaji.
Ma'am, I think she's not. She's here. Yeah. Juvina is here. Juvina, you are on mute.
Gayatri PB. Hi Gayatri, are you there?
Hi.
Gayatri?
Yes.
Hi to you. Would you say a few words about yourself so that we just get to know you?
Yeah, this was unexpected. Thank you. So I'm Gayatri PB and I'm working with CIT Technologies in Pupak. My designation is HR consultant. I've been working there only for 2 months right now. So I have almost 5 years of work experience. This is about me. I hail from Thrissur.
Fine, thank you. Thank you so much and wish you all the best. Next is Preeti Rawal. Hi. Hi Mone. Bye. Preeti Rawal.
Hi. Can you hear me?
Yes, Preeti. Come on.
Hi, myself Preeti. I also work with Suyati Technologies and I'm working with Gayatri only. So I have almost 6 years of experience in HR and right now my role is R&G. I'm managing resources. So that's it about myself. And I'm staying in Alva. I'm basically from Kochi.
Right.
Thank
Good
you.
competition. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Divya Michael.
Hi.
Hi Divya.
Yeah, it's really unexpected. Thank you for the opportunity given. My name is Divya. I'm working with FCION Connectors as a senior officer HR, currently taking care of hiring, employee welfare, employee engagement. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Nice to meet you. Wish you all the very best. Tinu Elizabeth.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi,
thank you so
Tinu.
much. Thank you so much for including me in this 15. It was a great surprise, and I think it was a great competition for you to judge.
Of course, yes, no doubt about it.
And my name is Tinu, and I am the HR manager in Abasoft Technologies. I'm staying in Kollegiri itself. Thank you.
Jai ma'am, Lal John sir has joined. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Sir, announcement is going on.
Okay. Carry on.
Coming into the screen to say a hi to us. Jismi Jose.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
I hope you can hear me.
We can see you too. Hi Jismi.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much. This is an excellent platform and I'm enjoying each and every day. I was just talking to Shama and saying that there's so much to learn and there's no stop to learning. I am working as a manager at HR. I take care of the talent engagement, talent performance development and learning and development at Cancor Ingredients. I have got 10+ years of experience and with Cancor, I am there for the past 5 years.
Nice to meet you. Wish you all the very best. Supriya Shankaran.
Hello, am I audible, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes. Supriya, we can see you too.
Okay. Hi.
Looks like you're traveling.
Yes, I was outside. We had my brother's marriage and engagement. Every function is going on, so we were just outside.
Okay. So
thank you.
Good news. This good news you can share with your relatives also that you are in.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. It's really a great opportunity for us to learn too, because that is when I actually went back to reading and updating myself about all these things. So it did help me, and I work with Saint-Gobain. I have 7+ years of experience, and for the past 2.5 years I'm here at Palakkad, and this is my first stint in a manufacturing unit. So it's been real great learning. Thank you so much. And it's a pleasure because my colleagues or my seniors are there in the forum. Anand is my junior, Mubarak is my senior. So a lot of known faces around, and it's great to be there. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Wish you all the very best, Supriya.
Thanks, ma'am.
Juvina, I think you are online, right? Can we see you? Juvina Shaji.
Yeah, ma'am, she said that she has some network issue and traveling, so she just texted.
Right. Okay, next is Ritika Menon.
This is Ritika here. Thank you so much.
Hi, Ritika. Nice to see you.
Yeah, I'm here part of this wonderful team. Going back to the studying days, it's really a great opportunity for us. I have about 13 plus years of experience in IT services mostly. Currently, I'm in between my jobs, and I've been having a lot of learning in these past 3 sessions that we have attended. So thank you so much.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Ramya and Juice.
Hi everybody. Hi ma'am. Nice to see you.
Hi Ramya.
So I'll just introduce myself. I'm Ramya Anjos. I was working with Coal India. Now I'm working with V-Guard for the past 3 months. And I have 9 plus years of experience, and I'm a senior manager, talent management at V-Guard Industries right now. So I'm so glad to be a part of this.
We're glad to have you with us.
Program.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Raji Nair.
Hi ma'am. Regina or Raji Nair?
It is Raji, no? Raji Nair. You are Raji Nair, right?
Yes, I am Raji. Hi.
I think I misspelled it. It is Raji, right?
Yes, I am Raji. Yes.
Right. Okay, let's hear about you.
Hi, I work as a happiness manager in Sign Labs, which is
that's simply great. First time we are getting a happiness manager on the show.
That is the reason why I have to put on this particular, making sure that entire team or myself as well need to be happy every time. And I work in Smart City itself. And I think this is a very great platform, first of all, to meet people and interact. And all the sessions that we've had is so overwhelmingly true and very good and genuinely nice. So thank you so much.
Wish you all the best. Ramya Stephen.
I think she's not there, ma'am.
Okay. Sajida Santosh.
Hi, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Hi, Sajida. Yes, we can see you too.
Hi. Thank you for selection. Actually, this is not accepted. This is the first time I am selected.
That's fine.
I'm working with Agape Diagnostics last 8 years, staying at Kirakambala. Thank you.
The name is Lakshmi Anil.
She's also not there.
Okay, so the 15th person is Aisha Rafiq.
Hi everyone, so great to have this opportunity. So I work with TCS and I'm a design thinking evangelist, and I currently work as talent management, handle talent management and diversity at TCS, and been with TCS for 5 years. So total I have 7 years of experience. So happy to be here and to be a part of this great launch. And I'm glad that I could see Preeti Raval here. So we both did our SEM, PGTM together, and now I see her today in this platform. So hi Preeti, if you're there. Thank you. Thanks for this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, Aisha, and wish you all the very best. So we have come to the final person in the 15 numbered list. Hearty congratulations and wish each one of you the very best in the coming rounds. Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jaya ma'am. May I request Laljan sir? Laljan sir heads HR for Malayalam Manorama and also is the chairman for NIPM Kerala chapter. Sir, a few words from your side.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, you are.
Okay. So I'm happy I could attend today's function, which I would have missed it badly. Unfortunately, I had some assignment to be attended. Just got back just now, and I'm happy to be with you at the concluding session. This program launched by the Kerala chapter of NIPM on the International Women's Day is exclusively for women HR professionals, and we have got very good response for the program. In fact, we never thought we will have such a good response, but response was very good, and we have all people, all the professionals were very actively involved in the sessions. We had 4 master classes today, and ultimately 15 have been selected. And congratulations to all who have been selected. But in case of the others, there is no need for any disappointment, because all of you are continuing to be members of NIPM, and you will get chances for more interaction with all the NIPM persons. And I take this opportunity to thank and wish all the best to all the participants, especially the 15 who have been selected. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Laljan sir, for the inspiring words. Right, so congratulations to not only our 15 shortlists, but to each and every participant who's been a part of our launch journey here today. Right, y'all still will be close to us, close to our hearts. Going ahead, all of us are going to be part of NIPM itself. We would get lots of opportunities to interact with each of y'all further. And from my personal experience, I would say take up each and every opportunity that NIPM throws at you. That itself would give a huge, a fillip to your professional career or your professional life ahead. Right, so for all the shortlisted members, we would soon be sending y'all emailing and on WhatsApp the guidelines and the rules ahead for further evaluations, right? And for all our participants here, thank you so much for being part of this journey. It was awesome having all of you be a part of this, right? Thank you so much, everyone. Good evening, I would say, and a good night to everybody.
Thank you, Ramya. So yeah, thank you so much. Anish. Yeah, Anish, our secretary, Anish, secretary for the NIPM Kerala chapter, Anish is also here. Anish, would you like to say something to our participants?
Thank you, Shama. It's a great honor, and thanks everyone for taking this to this interim stage. It's an exciting time for NIPM Kerala chapter, and to the launcher event continue. And for those who have missed out to the final stage, my great words of appreciation for going through this phase, and the welcoming all of you as members of NIPM Kerala chapter as well. We will take the membership process through. Our office will be in touch with you, and this is a special honor, and thank you, Jaya ma'am, and all the launcher team under the DNI committee to take this to this level. And very, very exciting thing. Without further ado, let us we're looking forward to your curated posts on social media and the lessons. I really enjoyed listening to Malatika ma'am as well today. So have a great evening ahead. All the very best to the for the final stage to all the participants who got shortlisted. Thank you, Shama. Thanks, Ramya and others.
Thank you, Anish. So congrats to all the winners, and not only the winners, all the 39 participants who has joined Launcher. Okay, you are anyway not leaving us. You are going to be with us throughout the NIPM Kerala chapter journey. Okay, so all the best to you all. Thank you so much. Good night.